And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the Bastion Sidekick. Go ahead and let's pull this out. Ooh. We'll start off by going over the specs. D2 is the blade steel. G10 handle. It is a liner lock. It's a flipper, which you can easily do with one hand using the flipper stud or the thumb stud. 7.75 inches overall. Blade length is 3.3 inches. Blade width is 0.875. Handle length is a shade under 4.5 inches. It has a ceramic ball bearing pivot. Nice little pivot cap here that's smooth. We like that. Weighs 4.2 ounces overall. Has a deep carry pocket clip. Dual thumb studs for opening. Nice little flipper tab. See-through chassis. A little bit of jimping on the top of the blade. Make it easier to do precision cuts. And it does have a coated D2 blade. Let's grab some jute cut here. Start off with this cord. You can see it cuts very easy without much pressure needed to cut it. Got some paracord here. As you can see, it cut through that without pretty much no fraying at all. We'll try it one more time going forward. A little bit of fraying right here. Other than that, it cut very smoothly. Not bad for a $49 knife. We'll go ahead and cut some cardboard here. So you can see that it has the jimping, so you should be able to just easily use it to make precision cuts. Then you can cut right through it. Whoops, my board will not set still. Oh, we got some tape on the back. We'll come from this angle and we'll cut a whole lot smoother. It's pretty good on the stabbing cuts. Actually just wants to keep on pulling itself right on through the material. So you can see that would be easy to cut with. Let's go ahead and clean this up. So once again, this is the Bastion Sidekick, or as we commonly refer to it around here, Just Jules' knife, since she is the resident sidekick. If they offered a degree in sidekick, she'd have 2. D2 is the blade steel, liner lock, and it is a flipper. Manual, of course. No assist here. So, once again, Bastion Sidekick. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. You won't be disappointed. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.